What is up, everyone? Lazaro Casanova here, and today I am going to show you my workflow on this thing. This thing being the Ableton Move, which is a standalone machine that can seamlessly integrate with Ableton Move once you are ready to export. I've been diving into this machine for the last few weeks, and I'm going to show you how I use it to create tracks anywhere, any place, anytime. So let's get into it. All right, so when you turn on your Ableton Move, you'll be greeted with the set overview. Each of these squares as they light up is a set or a project. These first two squares are projects that I've kind of messed around with to learn this machine when I first got this a few weeks ago. Whenever you do start a new set, Ableton will kind of pre-program 4 random patches for you to kind of get some creative juices going, with the first track being a drum rack, second is a bass line, third and fourth will be a combination of a lead, melody, and a pad. So you do get a traditional 4-track limit. It is sort of a soft limit because the drum rack, as you load samples, you can, as long as you make sure you're in this multi-note mode, you can play stuff. In the keyboard mode sort of way where you play different notes. So you can add more samples and kind of hack that 4-track limit into many more tracks. So I loaded some Lindrum samples, which is a very popular drum machine in the 80s that Prince made a lot of hits with. I loaded it with a couple of different other samples just to get some ideas going. What's cool about the Move, that just like the Ableton program, there's a capture button. It's always essentially listening to, Big Brother's always listening to you. So you just play something in, it'll try to remember the tempo and everything and kind of get something going from there. So there it captured what I just played. I'm just going to quantize this to 100%, dial it back to 60 for the rest of the stuff. There is no record quantization, so you do have to get in the habit of shift if you want stuff on the grid. This is your velocity here. Turn that off and on. Cool thing about having the velocity off is that once you get into doing note repeats, this does have a touch sensitivity to it. Make this a little louder. To get a little bit of velocity changes going on there. With the latest beta update for this, you do get full controls of drift. You do, I believe you get, there you go. You get all these different pages. It's a little bit of a menu diving thing, but better to have the option, because before you just only had like certain macros. What's cool about this is that you do have you can't set this to be inserting keys, so you do stay in key, and you could change this. I think this was the original. It was just octaves. Then they added the fourths, which is what you'll see in the push. You do have a chromatic mode, so it will tell you if you did want to play out of the scale, get a little jazzy with it. I have been digging the force mode just because I did borrow a push from a buddy of mine, and what's cool about the force mode, you can do chord shapes. You have your scale here. So you want to play a simple triad, usually it's triangle, scaled up. Thing captures, sometimes doesn't capture where you want. So usually at this point, I'll just kind of go with this, punch in stuff. This for now. I think I want want something here with more of a, maybe something with a bit faster attack. What am I in here? I'm in brass, that's why. So let's go to synth leads. Oh, this is cool. Kind of like an old rave sound to it. I'm just back on to see. Then you go back into session mode, you could kind of mute things, play around with it, do variations. Yeah, and that was a quick rundown of how I use this thing. Not too in depth, but just an idea of how easy it is to get into groove with this little groove box that Ableton made called the Ableton Move. Thanks for tuning in and see you soon.